is a no-till regenerative farm, which means we produce everything that we can. The goal is to raise healthy earthworms, and we figure if we're raising healthy earthworms, then the ground and the earth is going to be good, and that's going to raise healthy plants for us. They eat all the grass. When the cage is moved, they have fresh grass to eat. They have grasshoppers to catch and eat if they can catch them. They have lots of sunshine, and they have a good life until the end, and then they're butchered humanely on the property by us.
I guess the shape is.
Don't we have to put these ribs every 6 feet?
Yeah.
We put ours at 4 feet, and that
Yeah.
made it much better.
Yeah.
Our goal is to raise as healthy a food for our neighbors as we can, using no-till regenerative practices. So never use chemicals. If ever we have problems with pests, if we can't take care of it with insect nettings, then we just pull a crop and compost it, and that's the end of it. So let's take a look at the...
How did you know how to do all these steps for processing? Is that something you've always
Well, we've
done?
been doing
or-
this for
think
20
it's
years.
fantastic.
Originally, I read Joel Salatin's book on pastured poultry, and I've been doing the methods that he taught for over 20 years now. And we've just expanded from there. Everything I do is stolen from some other farm. So all of the hoses drip irrigate. We usually run the water for 15 minutes in the morning and 15 minutes in the afternoon. And that waters the whole garden, keeps it nice and moist, as well as keeps the greens cool. Gets good coverage. If you follow me over here, I'll just give you a quick tour of how we process the vegetables. Our vegetables last in the refrigerator for 2 weeks because they're picked fresh and they're washed and dried. And so they last a good long time in the refrigerator. Customers are surprised. Most store-bought stuff is going bad after 3-4 days. Ours, I've had this in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. Pull it out and it's still as fresh as can be. So it definitely pays to buy your local produce. It hasn't had to travel as far, and it's picked fresh. Smaller quantities, better handling and management. Okay. One more bag. See, we put in clear roofing so we can see in here with no lights. All right, the rest of this now we mix up. We have lettuce, kale, spinach, beet greens, and a little bit of mustard. Put in the mustard because it's a beautiful color. It's a nice cut, and it gives a little bit of a peppery flavor, but there's not a whole lot of it, so it's not strong. The spring mix is just delicious. We put in the spinach because the spinach is nutritious and healthy. Put in the beet greens because the beet greens have beautiful color. We put in kale because kale is not only very nutritious, but the red Russian kale is also very pretty. So when we're all done, we have a very healthy, very beautifully colored spring mix that high-end restaurants and customers at the local farmers market absolutely love. From here, we just bag them up to 6.5 ounce bags, and then they're ready to go to the farmer's market. Most of our customers like a spring mix, but there's a few people that can't have this or can't have that. So we make up a straight lettuce mix for those who want it. So I hope to see you at the farmer's market. Otherwise, maybe you'll be eating our salad at the Coeur d'Alene Resort or one of the high-end restaurants in Spokane. Enjoy!